Don't you think?
So Stuart, this is a pump with a make-or-break engine, is that right?
That's it. That's it.
Can you tell me more about? So the engine turns the pump.
No, everything was fine.
I did want to feel them bearings before we get too far though.
Oh, yeah, no.
So this is priming gas in this location. Close it.
And just open that a little bit, not very much. Just crack it just enough to get used to it, you know. Whoever,
Yeah,
Okay.
And hold your hand over this here and turn
yeah.
this.
One of this wouldn't throw near as much
Up on
water as
compression.
that one he uses.
And it'll pull air in. But just turn it over once or twice at the most, because you won't start if you don't get it. That one here goes to the tank,
Fuel tank.
fuel tank in there.
Now this one's the right size, you could run it down.
Shut this one
also
off.
Down to their transportation
Turn
show
this one
down there
on.
where they have the old engines and stuff.
But you just crack it, you don't turn it on a lot, just
Same with this one here? Or do you open
That's
this
the-
one full?
you fill this here, and you open this,
When it's running?
turn that there, you get so many drops.
Drops. Drops.
That's
Yeah.
right.
And you,
It's a good sized piston. Pretty good compression too. And there is a compression release.
I put this,
you got the compression.
I put between $300 and $400.
Well, that works.
Yeah, the magneto says Fairbanks, Morse and Company, Type R.